In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Facebook Marketplace. To get started, open Facebook on your computer or smartphone and log into your account. This is the first step because Marketplace is built right into Facebook, so you do not need to download a separate app if you are already using the main Facebook platform. Once you're signed in, make sure you're on the main home screen so it's easy to find the tools you'll need next. After that, look for the Marketplace icon. It usually appears as a small storefront symbol, and it's the main entry point for buying and selling items locally through Facebook. On a desktop, you may see it in the left-hand menu or across the top navigation area. On a smartphone, it is often located in the menu bar at the bottom or top of the app, depending on your device. Tap or click that icon to enter Marketplace. Once you're inside Marketplace, you'll see a feed of items that other people have listed for sale. This is where browsing begins. You can scroll through available products, check photos, compare prices, and get a general feel for what's being sold in your area. If you're looking for something specific, use the search bar to browse items more efficiently. Searching helps narrow down results and saves time, especially if you already know what you want. As you explore the Marketplace page, take a look at the side menu or navigation panel. This area gives you access to several useful sections, including notifications, your inbox, Marketplace access, buying, selling, and the option to create a new listing. These sections are important because they organize your activity. For example, notifications can alert you to updates. Your inbox helps you manage conversations with buyers or sellers, and the buying and selling sections help you keep track of what you're interested in or what you've posted. You will also notice different categories for sale listings. These categories help organize Marketplace into sections such as vehicles, apparel, and other product types. Using categories is a simple way to browse without typing in a search term, especially if you're still exploring your options. It can also help you discover listings you may not have thought to search for directly, and that's the basic flow of using Facebook Marketplace. Start by logging in, open the Marketplace icon, browse or search for items, explore the side menu for key tools, and use categories to find listings more easily. As you spend more time in Marketplace, navigating it will start to feel very natural.